My name is Kim Menestra, and I work at Evanston Township High School. I'm the Director of Nutrition Services. For breakfast, we serve about 300 to 400 a day. Lunch is 1,100, plus we satellite 1,600 meals to our elementary district. And then we also have a staff serving area that we serve about 300 meals a day. We have a great farm-to-school program just within our district. We have 2 school gardens along with a greenhouse that was just renovated. And then we also have an orchard. It's a great program where we could bring fresh produce to the students. I was extremely impressed that there was a piece of equipment out there like this that not only was so efficient, but also tells you when you're supposed to even turn things over. It's just great. You can walk away from it, it buzzes, it tells the staff what to do.
I use this rational cooking system about 1 year. So nice, so easy. I can adjust what kind of product we do have, and I don't need to worry about it. It's gonna be burnt or something.
Using the Vario Cooking Center on a daily basis has really improved the quality of our meals, especially in regards to consistency. It's amazing how much you can fit inside of it and get done all at once.
I can control easy. The product comes much better. Whatever is in the system, I can just use that system and then put it like very low, and then I can just work something else and go back again. And the way how the product turns, it's much better.
We use a lot of rice, a lot of pasta, lots of different vegetables, and we make a lot of sauces in that. And so those are high volume items that the Vario Cooking Center has really helped us cook fast and easy. It has helped our program dramatically with labor, cost savings, and efficiencies.
I definitely love it, and I like to call that my best friend.